Welcome to Don Carinderia series. For the past few days, I've been craving for orange chicken from Panda Express. But instead of ordering or having it delivered, I just thought maybe I could recreate their orange chicken at home. So today, you're going to see that it's pretty simple. Let's prepare the ingredients. So get a medium bowl and mix some all-purpose flour, with some cornstarch, and add an egg. Next, we'll add some water. And then add some oil. And don't forget your salt and pepper. And mix everything up. Until you achieve that pancake-ish consistency. I already had my chicken cubed by my local grocery, so that saved me time. So dump your chimkin in. Make sure that the chicken is well coated. So we need to chill this for like 30 minutes. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. So we'll do some mincing of the garlic. And the ginger too. If you have a grater, grate the ginger instead. Let's start cooking. On medium heat, let's fry your chimkin. When frying, be sure that you don't overcrowd your pan. Remove from the oil when you have a golden brown chicken. Put them in a paper towel bowl. And continue cooking the rest of your chicken. time to make our sauce, our orange sauce. So heat your oil and then put some chili flakes. Add your aromatics like ginger and garlic. Make sure that you don't burn your garlic. Let's add in your white sugar and some brown sugar. Add some OJ. And some soy sauce. Add your slurry. This is cornstarch dissolved in water. Stir it up until you reach a consistency of a syrup. It is time to marry your chicken and orange sauce. Mix everything together. Lastly, add your sesame seed oil. I have a knock-knock joke. Knock knock, who's there? Batter, batter who? You can get to know better days. Be sure that you have your rice prepared. Perfectly splendid orange chicken. No need to order from Panda Express. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.